Okay, so the previous video that was posted gave this equation you see on the screen as a final answer. Now, what I did not say in that video is that that equation is specific for a redox reaction that is occurring in an acidic medium. All right, so the process by which we obtain this equation is the way you'd go about it if you want to determine or write down a balanced redox equation in an acidic medium. Now, what we're going to do in this video is to show how to do the same reaction but express it as it will occur in a basic medium. And it's not too difficult, so therefore this should be a very short video. So once you get to this point where you get this equation, let me go into my pen mode here. Okay, so once you get to this point, then to convert this to an equation where the reaction is being done in a basic medium is that you add the same number of hydroxide ions as hydrogen ions that you have here. Now, in this case, we have 32 hydrogen ions, so therefore what we do is add 32 hydroxide ions. Now, the thing about this is that each time you add a hydroxide ion to a hydrogen ion, you're going to form one molecule of water. So the result of adding 32 hydroxide ions to 32 hydrogen ions would form 32 water molecules. Also, because you add 32 hydroxide ions to this side of the equation, you have to do the same thing on this side of the equation. So we're going to add 32 hydroxide ions on the right side. Okay, as a result of that, you'll now notice that we have water molecules on either side, because now we have 32 water molecules here and we have 16 water molecules here. So what that means is that these 16 water molecules will cancel out 16 of these 32 water molecules, and you'll be left with 16 water molecules on the left side. And therefore, all we have to do after that is to write down what is remaining, and that would be the equation for the reaction occurring in a basic medium. So we start off with a 16 H2O here, plus 4 Cr2O7 2 minus, plus 3 N2, and then on the product side we're going to have 8 Cr3 plus 6 NO2 plus 32 OH minus. And therefore this would be the reaction that is done in a basic medium. The one that was in the previous video is what happened in an acidic medium. Okay, so that's it. That's basically how you get from the equation for the reaction in the acidic medium to the equation of the reaction in the basic medium. So just to recap very quickly, what we do first is add the same number of hydroxide ions as there is H plus ions, but you have to remember to add it to both sides, right? Remember also that each time a hydroxide ion combines with an H plus ion, it forms one water molecule. So therefore, in this case, 32H plus 32OH minus will give you 32 water molecules. The next step is to cancel out the water molecules on either side if possible. So in this case, 16 water molecules will cancel out with 16 of those, leaving behind 16 water molecules here. And basically all we have to do is write down what is left, and that's it. All right? Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.